Welcome back to today's video, guys. Today we're going to be doing a little overview of the STI. Also, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, because we post fairly regularly. I'm Austin. Let's get started.
He sprayed me with the video, the intro. Got socks.
Yep, we got. So like I said in the intro, today we're installing the banner. You just watched me time-lapse clean the banner. Clean the windshield, not the banner. Banner's right here. And now we are going to go ahead and put it on the car, and then we'll go kind of do a walk around of the STI, show you what it is. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is clean your windshield, like I just did. Make sure you get all the dirt off that you possibly can, and if there's fuzzes left behind by whatever rag or microfiber towel you used, make sure those come off too. We're gonna go ahead, stretch the banner out, and lay it over the windshield. This is a two-piece, so we'll do the actual black backing first, and then we will do the lettering second. So now that that banner is installed, flip you around. Came out decently decent. There's a few rock chips up high on the other side, kind of made it bubble. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but we've got to go over and show you everything that is wrong with the car, starting with the rear. You would think, you know, your struts are supposed to stay in place, but so your struts should stay in place. They should not do that. Another thing, underneath the car, sway bar end links that are supposed to connect to your control arm, or on this car it's called a lateral arm. They're actually supposed to be connected. They are not supposed to be detached, which is also part of the problem that we are running into with the coilovers. So that'll be fixed tomorrow as far as the lateral arm goes. Coilovers, we are waiting on some BC racing coils. Couple body things. That dent right there. These awful carbon grill inserts, and I already fixed this problem. Our lights inside were purple. Now they are perfectly white. The license plate light is still purple. That's got to be fixed. And then other than that, it's really just cleaning it. The car runs great. It's only got 133,000 miles on it. Motor was rebuilt about 15,000 miles ago from that. I will pick this video back up tomorrow or in a matter of seconds for you guys, and we will go ahead and fix that lateral link. So I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? This is now the day after, and we are working on this lateral link. It's being a little bit of a pain in my lateral ass. So I'll get back to you when it's out of here. It's up there. You want to see my rod? Is that appropriate for you too?
You're not monetized, so.
That's true.
You have to have more colors.
This is our new lateral link for this shitbox. This is what was wrong with the old one. You can see somebody cut it. I don't know why you would need to do that or want to do that, but that's what happened. So it'll be gone.
The other one where it looks like not cut.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Oh yes. This is what it's supposed to look like. Yep. Yep, just like that. And
very different.
This is labeled. It just says MS on it. Now we get back under. Bolt her back up.
Continue.
Okay. We're gonna bolt this back up. This will affect your alignment. We're going to be doing coilover, so it's not that big of a deal because we'll have to get an alignment afterwards anyways. But if you are just doing this or other suspension control arms, you will need to get an alignment, or your tires will wear like trash and your car will not drive straight. There you go. So we got that lateral link installed. Everything there is good. Still needs struts. We're actually getting those tomorrow. That'll be another video. I decided not to go with BC Racing and to do a little bit different of a setup. We'll see how it goes. But I didn't really film an outro. This is kind of my outro, but I'm going to leave you with a little teaser of what's to come. If you stayed this long in the video, first of all, thank you. And you're going to get to at least hear something that the rest of everybody else has not yet. So I'll put that right after this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.
Giving it fuel.